Are you looking to save tax? Good news! With proper planning, you can save thousands of rupees. Let's explore some of the best tax saving tips. Tax saving under Section 80C, PPF, Public Provident Fund, a long-term secure investment with tax exemption up to 1.5 lakh rupees. ELSS mutual funds, only a 3-year lock-in period and a great option for tax saving. NSC, National Savings Certificate, a low-risk investment that provides tax exemption along with interest benefits. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, the best scheme for your daughter's future, offering tax savings up to 1.5 lakh rupees. EPF, Employees Provident Fund, guaranteed returns for employees with tax benefits. Life insurance premium. Life insurance premiums are also eligible for tax savings under Section 80C. Tax benefits on health insurance. Section 80D, health insurance premium, tax exemption of up to 25,000 rupees for individuals and up to 50,000 rupees for senior citizens. Tax benefits on home loans and house rent. Home loan interest, tax savings of up to 2 lakh rupees per year under Section 24B. Tax exemption on the principal amount of home loans under Section 80C. HRA, house rent allowance, exemption, tax benefits under Section 1013A for salaried individuals living in rented accommodations, tax saving on retirement and long-term investments. NPS, National Pension Scheme, additional tax exemption of 50,000 rupees under Section 80 CCD1B. SCSS, Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, a great tax saving option for senior citizens under Section 80C. Tax saving for businesses and other deductions. Education loan interest, complete tax exemption on education loan interest under Section 80E. Donations and CSR contributions, tax benefits on donations under Section 80G for social causes. With smart investments, you can not only save tax but also secure your future. Start planning today and avoid last-minute tax payment stress. If you found this video useful, share it with your friends and become more aware of tax-saving strategies. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.